Hi, I'm Ashwin Mahajan and I'm a hairstylist. Working in the industry for over 20 plus years, the styling and coloring or any chemical treatments should never compromise hair's health and integrity. That's where Brillare Professional's Ceramide damage repair treatment steps in. This treatment consists of 4 essential steps. Step 1 involves using Brillare Ceramide shampoo, which is sulfate-free and made of 65% natural ingredients. Step 2 includes the application of Brillare Ceramide Lipid Mist, applied all over the hair shaft by taking thin sections and focusing on the ends. Step 3. Apply Brillare Ceramide Protein Mist in similar manner. This protein mist repairs damage up to the cortex layer. Finally, Step 4. Apply Brillare Ceramide Mask, applied section by section over the shaft, gently massaging for 7 to 10 minutes. If required, steam can also be applied for 3 to 5 minutes before thoroughly rinsing with plain water. With its natural active ingredients, the Ceramide treatment gives complete treatment for damaged hair, restoring the hair health and integrity. Introducing Brillare Ceramide treatment. Repair your hair naturally. Brillare Professional.